picture, this is the depression where the mandible is lower down or there is the opening of the mouth. What happens in this moment? The head of the mandible moves on the undersurface of the disc, okay, like the hinge. But the movement occurs along the vertical axis and it passes through the condyle and the posterior border of the ramus of the mandible. Then there comes other types of movement, that is the chewing movements or side to side movements. In these movements इसमें क्या होता है, जैसे say right side glides forward, the head of the right side it glides forwards over the along with the disc, ठीक है, as in protection. मगर जो हेड होता है ना लेफ्ट साइड का, इट रोटेट्स ऑन अ वर्टिकल एक्सिस. फॉर आपको समझ आ रही है? इफ़ यू हैव टू गो फॉर द चूइंग मूवमेंट्स और साइड टू साइड मूवमेंट्स, on one side, say on the right side, head glides forward along with the disc as in protraction, but on the left side head merely rotates on a vertical axis. इसकी वजह से फिर क्या होता है, chin moves forward and to the left. Similarly, alternate movements of this kind, they lead to side movements or chewing movements of the mouth. Then there are certain muscles which help in protrusion and which help in depression, which help in elevation and retraction. For depression, we have four muscles. We have lateral pterygoid, digastric, geniohyoid and mylohyoid. Fine. Then for elevation, we have masseter, anterior vertical, middle oblique fibers of temporalis and medial pterygoid. For protrusion, both pterygoids and superior oblique fibers of masseter, and for retraction the horizontal fibers of temporalis and the masseter. Lateral or side to side movements कैसे होते हैं? For instance, we have to chew from the left side. For the left side chewing, you need right side pterygoids and the temporalis and the masseter of the left side. Fine. Similarly, for the right side, we need the left pterygoids and right side temporalis and the right masseter. Then we have certain applied aspect or the clinical anatomy of the temporomandibular joint. If you can see in the first picture, the joint has been dislocated from its position. So there is a tendency that it will slip anteriorly into the infratemporal fossa. ठीक है, उसकी वजह से क्या होगा, the patient is not able to close his mouth. फिर reduction is done with using thumbs. Can you see in the second picture, thumb is kept at the molar, it is kept on the last molar teeth and chin is being elevated. This is how reduction is done. This is how reduction is done. Then one more thing, there can be various joints in the vicinity of the TM joint, so you need to take care of the seventh nerve and the auriculotemporal nerve. Moreover, articular disc can get an injury, fine, which will give to the pain in the joint during its movements. Thank you.